Croeso, welcome to Chill Cymru, a meditative journey through the soul of Wales that is all about embracing the hwyl, a deep state of joy that comes from being totally immersed in the moment. Each journey takes you to a different corner of this special country, through sound and story, wherever you are in the world. In this episode, you're in Cefnperfedd Uchaf, a Welsh lavender farm and wellness destination in the rural heartland of Wales. Be still. Take a breath. Let the world fall away. You're here, in the heart of mid-Wales, on the slopes of Cefnperfedd Uchaf. The hills flow softly into one another, stitched together by ancient stone walls and hedgerows alive with whispering life. A timeless patchwork of rural beauty crafted over centuries. And before you, row upon row of lavender. The elegant silver-green stems and periwinkle crowns brushing against each other, moving in a graceful rhythm on the breeze. Time feels slower here. Lift your hand and run your fingers through the shimmering lanes of lilac and violet blooms. The air is made of sunlight and perfume, warm, sweet, and alive with the hum of bees. Give thanks to the bees, whose gentle labour stitches life into every blossom. The Romans called this plant lavari, to bathe. They steeped it in water to cleanse the body and calm the mind. Let this moment do the same for you. Just beyond these fields, a wild swimming pond awaits. Cool and clear and edged with wild reeds, it sits nestled among the Welsh hills, cradled gently in a hollow of the land. The water is inviting you in. Surrender to it. This is llonyddwch, stillness. Breathe it in as Wales holds you quietly. As you slowly inhale and exhale, feel grounded, connected to the hills around you, the sky above, the fragrant lavender dancing gently on the breeze, to the rhythm of Cymru itself. You are calm. You are adref, home. To discover the real Wales and plan your visit, go to visitwales.com.